Hello everybody, how's it going? But I bet you're wondering, where have I been? Well, let me tell you, I've been very busy. Like right now, I'm leaving the doctor's because I had to get my medicine refilled and they have to talk to me to get it refilled and all that, okay? But yeah, I don't know what I'm titling this video yet, but I am moving out of Texas. You guys, the time has finally come where I got out of Texas. So you just saw my boxes and everything being packed. As you can see, empty, almost empty. It's just very small stuff that I still have to pack, but it's easy small stuff to pack. I just throw it in one of these boxes that I haven't closed yet. So back to my moving situation. I'm moving in with my cousin. Me and my cousin have been talking about moving in together since we were like 16, basically. Like, we've been talking about it for a long time, and now it's just like, now I have the time to do it, and there's nothing holding me back. Like, there's nothing holding me back. I don't have kids, I'm not pregnant, I don't have a man, I'm just here.
I just do. I support your dreams.
Thank you.
Unless they piss me off.
Okay. About to head off. It's 4:18 in the morning. My sister's in the back having a fit. But we're about to leave. She's downtown? What? Hey guys, it's Taylor. I know that you just saw a few clips of travel, packing, and all that, but I'm here in Denver, Colorado, living. That's really all I have to say. I wanted y'all to see the snow as well, but I don't think it's gonna be in focus as much, but that's fine. Yeah, I'm here. I don't know if I'm gonna do an apartment tour because I want to keep my privacy how it is, nobody knowing that I'm really here, but I will show you my room. That I can show you. I will show you my room because once my room is done, it's over for everybody. Right now I'm still unpacking it and everything, but yeah. He's like, I haven't talked to you guys in so long. What are y'all doing? Hello. But yeah, thanks for watching and more to come.